Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to do a full face of makeup using only drugstore products. Now, beauty does not have to be expensive. I know I like to use some high-end products, but a lot of the products I use are very affordable. So let's get right into it with foundation. I will be trying out the NYX or NYX, whatever you call it. I call it NYX, but whatever. The Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mocha. So this is going to be a full face, full coverage, all that great stuff. So we are using 2 pumps of foundation today. And y'all know me, I like to put these little dots all over my face just to make sure it's a nice, even coverage all over. And this is my first time trying out this foundation, and I tried it out like I swatched it on my hand and I liked it, but let's see how it does all over my face and let's see how it blends in with everything else. Now the brushes I'm going to be using are pretty affordable too. Like this brush is by Luxie. It's the 350 flat top Kabuki brush. I love this brush, and I've been like, ever since I bought it a few months ago, this is the only thing I've been using to blend out my foundation. And so far, I really like it. It's kind of dark, but like, it looks good, you know? Ooh. One thing about this foundation though, it dries down kind of fast. Like I am low-key struggling with my forehead, trying to blend it. Okay, I think that's good. So far, I would say this is, let's see, we're gonna look up close. Definitely full coverage, because as y'all saw in the beginning of the video, I have hyperpigmentation right here on my forehead and a little bit on my cheeks. This covered all of it. So full coverage, matte, and so far, still good. Okay, the next thing I'll be trying out are the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealers. I bought 3 colors because I wasn't sure which one would be my highlighting shade and which one would be a good contouring shade. I hope I did this right. I'm gonna be using Deep Chestnut as a highlighter, and I'll be using Rich Cocoa as my, ooh, this just looks a little, you can't really tell on camera, but in person, it looks a little like, I don't know. It looks like it just might not be the one, but we gonna try it out. Can't knock it till you try it. And the prices for all of these are cheap. These were like $6 each. This, $11. You cannot beat those prices. So I'll be trying the Deep Chestnut as my highlighting shade. Let me just open it up. Now I typically use a drugstore concealer anyway. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I feel like everyone knows about that. So I wanted to try something new, and one of my good old friends suggested this to me. So let me just try it out. Ooh, yeah, this is definitely my highlight shade. It's actually really light, so I'm gonna be very gentle with this, because I might come out looking a little crazy. But that's okay. If you want that full coverage look anyways, it's okay to have a color that's this much lighter than your skin. Okay, and next I'm going to put Deep Cinnamon right under my other shade. These look like they're the same color, but let me just try. These look identical. Let me see something real quick. Before I put this all over my face, we're gonna make sure there's some type of, oh yes, okay. This one, the first one, Deep Chestnut, is a little bit more yellow. The undertone is more yellow. And Deep Cinnamon definitely has a pinkish undertone. Oh child, I don't even know. Can you even tell the difference? These 2 right here, this is my foundation. These 2 are you can kind of tell the difference. I'm gonna just play it safe and just use, dang it, now I got them switched up. I think it was Deep Chestnut, I'm just gonna use that one. Deep Cinnamon, I already put 1 dot right there, so I have to put another dot right here. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna put under my eyes. However, I have to highlight the rest of my face, so I'll do my chin, upper lip, forehead, and nose area. That's it. because I'm scared. And what I use to blend out my concealer is a Real Technique sponge. Okie dokie. And these sponges are like $6. And I actually like the way this blends out a lot. Yeah, just a little bit of concealer went a long way. I actually really like this. Yes, this is really gonna give me like a nice sculpted look. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, this is all blended out. Let me just put a little bit of translucent powder so everything stays in place. And I'm just going to put a little bit of my Ben Nye Luxury Camel powder to just set my concealer. And this powder was like $20, 20 something dollars. So that's probably not a drugstore price. I don't know of any other drugstore powders to try, but I really like this one, so I just stick to it for like everything. Ooh, I feel like I'm looking like a little ghostly. Let me see. Definitely really matte. Everything I used was like super matte. So buyer beware. I'm going to just use my bronzer, and I have the True Complexion contour palette. I use this bronzer in the middle, and I use this one like all the time, and it's a drugstore one. It's probably like $8 or $9, so this is super affordable as well. Okay, so far so good. Next, I'm going to be going into my eyes. Now I really just want like a light look. Actually, no, I forgot, we full glamming today, so let me not be lazy. We're gonna go all out. We're gonna use this, the Warrior palette by Juvia's, and this palette was like, I don't know if I got it on sale. It was probably like $11. Anyway, it's very affordable. Literally everything I'm using in this video, the most expensive thing is probably like $12. So first I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. The shade is Camo. Going to be putting that all over my lid. Okay, and then I'm going to just warm up my crease just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to be going in with the shade Mino. Ooh, this is a dork shade. Okay, yes, that is like, ooh, that's giving me like very 2010 smoky vibes, but I can rock with it. Okay, honey, we are gonna go in next with, let's see, should I do Bakwa or India? Let me see. Pretty, India's looking pretty. Ooh, Bakwa is just giving me that extra. I think I'm trying to be just a little bit extra today. Just gonna use my Morphe M321 brush and put Bakwa in my inner lid. So I'm gonna be using Bakwa and India. We're just gonna use both, because why not? Why not? Ooh, they look so beautiful together. So be like, look, like I'm not even done yet, but when I'm done, you're gonna see. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is put on some eyeliner. The only liquid eyeliner that I use is e.l.f. Guess how much this costs? $2. I don't want to hear nothing. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And even though it's cheap, it gets the job done. Alrighty, I just popped in my lashes and I used the iEnvy 3D collection. I done towed this package all up, but just wanted you all to see what lashes I use. They are the 3D angle and volume, multi-angle and volume, lightweight lashes. And this was only $3.99 at a beauty supply store. So can't beat that. Can't beat that. And I think they look flawless. And I'm just going to be adding some mascara to my bottom lash line using the Maybeline Lash Colossal mascara. All right, next we are going to use our blush. And I have the NYX blush in the color, child, I don't even know, but it just says Sweet Cheeks Glow. This color. This is the color I'm using. I'm gonna apply a little bit right here. Oop. Yes, and right here. Okay, and for highlighter, I'm going to be going back into the Warrior palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using the color India as my highlighting color. Yes, and just blend it in. Ooh, this is a lot. One thing I love about these palettes is that these shimmers are like no joke. They are not like any other drugstore shimmers. Like, these will literally comfort your neck. Like, I barely put anything on and it looks like I just put a bunch on. Okay, now I'm going to set my face. Use whatever setting spray you got. I only have this one, the Urban Decay and the Make It Do by Rihanna. So I think this was the trial size though, so this was cheap. This was like, I think $12. And for my lips, I'm going to be using this random beauty supply store lip pencil. It's a brown shade. I'm going to use it to line my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be using this color Matte Darling by Milani. All right, and this is the final look. My full face, full coverage of drugstore products. Please let me know how you like this video. Leave comments below, like, subscribe, share. Yes, all that helps my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.